In this super simple and super short video, I'm going to show you how you can record calls on your cell phone. We are going to go to your phone here, and we are going to go to the phone, and on the phone we'll find 3 points or a configuration wheel and press settings. And settings, we are going to select, we see recording calls or record calls, and press in button auto record calls. And we have other options como delete all recordings, etc. And it's as notification but as activate, and each call you make will be saved. Now what you should do to wear your music here, and when you call you can see the recording here on your phone. And this is all, guys. Thanks for watching this video.